Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Zoho Projects invoices linked to Milestones step by step clearly. Open your Zoho Projects account and navigate to the project where you want to enable invoices linked to Milestones. In the left sidebar, click on the Milestones tab to view your project milestones. Select the milestone you wish to link an invoice to. Within the milestone details, locate the option labeled Add Invoice. Click on this option to initiate the invoice creation process. Next, fill in the necessary details for the invoice. Provide a clear title for the invoice to ensure easy identification. Set the due date for payment, ensuring it aligns with your project timeline. Specify the amount to be invoiced in accordance with the milestone completion. Review the details to confirm accuracy before proceeding. Once confirmed, click on the Save button to finalize the invoice creation. Your invoice is now linked to the selected milestone. Repeat these steps for any additional milestones requiring invoicing. To manage or edit any existing invoices, return to the Milestones tab. Select the milestone associated with the invoice you want to edit. Click on the invoice to open its details, where you can make necessary adjustments. After editing, remember to click Save to apply your changes. You have now successfully enabled invoices linked to milestones in Zoho Projects. This functionality will help streamline billing and ensure timely payments for completed milestones. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.